Hey, fellas, this John Marks and Marks Mud. Easy, son. Beautiful rooster. Looks like double right. Wing band number. Hey, fellas, this John Marks and Marks Mugs. One of my Marks Asil stags. He's going to Mr. Keith Kelly. Mr. Keith Kelly, here's your stag that we had talked about. Easy, son. Beautiful stag. Look at that head. Beautiful rooster. Got great legs on him. Easy, easy, bubba. This stag is marked right in toe punch. Band number is easy. Looks like 592. 592 wing band. He'll be coming to you. We'll ship out Tuesday, brother. Fellas, this John Marks and Marks Mugs. We have one of our Asil pairs going out. This is going to Mr. Keith Kelly. Mr. Kelly, here's your pull-up. We'll video your stag just in a minute. I want to look at her head right quick. Look what a beautiful head on the pull. Look at that eye. Beautiful pullet. This pullet is marked, excuse me, double left, double right. Wing band number 0564. Looks like 0564. Beautiful pullet.